Realizing and knowing the self is, it's like a first step in awakening that is followed by, or it follows true prayer and meditation, self inquiry, and a devotion experience. And this is what realizing the self is really attempting to do, is bringing people to a taste of this experience of our true nature, and seeing if this is a good fit for you, the living an awakened life experience.
It's really an invitation for people to make a commitment to be with us, to be with themselves, and to experience kind of what happens gradually as you keep to the inquiry, to keep with the practices.
The benefits of meeting us for the Realizing the Self webinar is because we're going to present you with some questions for yourself about awakening, such as what is awakening? What does it mean? And who is it that awakens? And what is my true nature?
Who am I? What am I? What are the habits? What are the conditioning? What are the preferences? What's the difference between the false I and our true nature I? And to be able to just be together for that time, to really start to say, oh my goodness, like I see the difference now.
I'm happy to and look forward to sharing with you our 2-hour webinar where Lisa and I will share the experience of realizing the self in a way, a very practical way, and a very experiential way, where you will know if this 12-week course is something that resonates with you. And we would look forward to having you to join us in January of 2025 for the Living an Awakened Life experience, where you're going to spend 3 months with Lisa and I every week, going deeply into the teaching of Advaita Vedanta, Ramana Maharshi, Jean Klein, and connecting that with the understanding and the pointing, the non-dual understanding of A Course in Miracles. And I hope you can join us. Namaste.